Hello and welcome to this video brought to you by Smart Exam Resources. In today's video, I shall explain to you the reason why the ammonium ion has a charge of +1. To begin with, look at the nitrogen on the screen represented by the symbol N. Now, as you can see, there are 5 dots surrounding this alphabet N. So N stands for nitrogen. Nitrogen has 5 valence electrons. That is how you need to interpret this. So there is this nitrogen. It has got 5 valence electrons. So that means it can bond with other atoms. Now look at the hydrogen to the left of the screen. These 3 hydrogens that are moving around on the screen are hydrogen atoms and they have 1 electron each. Whereas this hydrogen to the left of the screen that I'm moving currently is not a hydrogen atom, but this is a hydrogen ion. And in fact, this is called as a proton because this has lost its electron and now therefore it does not have any electron left with it. It is just having a proton. So now we are going to first create the ammonia molecule. Now to create the ammonia molecule, we will make this hydrogen bond with this nitrogen. So each hydrogen has 1 electron. It brings its 1 electron to the one other electron from the nitrogen, and that way it enters into a covalent bond with nitrogen. So this completes the ammonia molecule. So as you can see, the ammonia molecule, which is NH3, is formed of 1 nitrogen atom and 3 hydrogen atoms. Now what's going to happen is this ammonia can further react with the proton, and in doing so, it is going to share both of its electrons with the proton. So now in all, there are 4 bonds present. Earlier, when it was ammonia, there were only 3 bonds present and they were the covalent bonds. And now, since nitrogen has also bonded with the proton, it enters into the 4th bond where this nitrogen has shared both of its electrons with a proton. So this is a special type of a bond which is called as a dative bond or a coordinate bond. So this is how an ammonia molecule changes into an ammonium ion. Now, what I'm going to explain to you is we know that the ammonium ion has the formula NH4 plus. Now, this plus means +1. That means the ammonium ion has a charge of +1. So, how do we know that it is going to have a charge of +1 and not -1 or not some other charge? Well, if you would have noticed in the entire process, when ammonia changed into ammonium ion, the only change that took place was an addition of a proton. The number of electrons remained unchanged. Why? Because the proton did not bring along any electrons with it. It is a proton. So it just bonded, the hydrogen ion or the proton just bonded with the nitrogen atom. So what happened in the process? There was an addition of 1 proton. And you know, protons are positively charged, electrons are negatively charged. So there was an increase of proton number by 1. And therefore, the ammonium ion gets a charge of +1. So, well, this is all in today's video on as to why the ammonium ion has a charge of +1. So that's all in this video. And if you like watching my video, please do subscribe to our channel in order to receive regular updates. Thank you, happy learning, and God bless.